Guys, so today I'm doing a photocell replacement, and I hope this works. I found it in the shop. This is a photocell, and basically if there's darkness, it connects a switch. It's basically a switch, so it makes contact and lets power through, and when it senses light, it does not make contact and it will not let power through. So I'm going to be wiring this new light, this new photocell here, and it pushes through this hole, and there's a little lock nut that sits on the outside, and I'll show you how to wire it in. So from what I saw in the last one, the red wire coming from the photocell is your power to the lights, so that will go to the two black wires going to your lights, and then the black wire coming from the photocell goes to your incoming hot wire, and then of course the neutrals just get wire nutted to the neutral wire. So I'm going to put this up in place now. Hopefully this photocell works, because I found it in the shop, and yeah, let's see what happens. I will fix this with some epoxy. Alright, this photocell is no good either. I just turned in this light bulb and it went on, so that means that it's not working. The light bulb should not come on. Alright, so this one's garbage. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take this fixture, I'm just going to put the fixture back in for now, and we'll have to order new photocells. Alright, just thought I'd give it a try. I was sitting in the shop, so I never know, but now I know. Well guys, thanks for watching. If it did work, that's how you change a photocell anyway. So, yeah, thanks. Ooh. It works. I just proved it out with the flashlight, just to be double sure, and it does work. I guess it's just because it's dark in this courtyard. So, that's how you can prove out a photocell. Alright, so it works. Well, there you have it guys. Thanks for watching. Mike out. I'm going to button this up now.